The Lotus Sutra, Chapter 27, Ancient Accounts of King Subhavyuha. Thereupon the Buddha addressed the great assembly, saying, "Once upon a time, immeasurable, limitless, inconceivable, and incalculable kalpas ago, there was a Buddha named Jalada Raga Rajita Gosa Susvara Naksatra Raja Samku Sumita Bija, a Tathagata, Arhat, completely enlightened. His land was called Vairochana Rasmi Pratimandita, and the kalpa was named Priyadarshana. There was a king practicing the teaching of the Buddha. He was called Subhavyuha, and his consort was named Vimaladatta. They had two sons. One was named Vimalagarbha, and the other Vimalanetra. These two sons were endowed with great transcendent power, merit, and wisdom, and practiced the bodhisattva path for a long time. They were versed in the perfections of giving, dana, good conduct, sila, perseverance, kshanti, effort, virya, meditation, jhana, wisdom, prajna, and skillful means and compassion, benevolence, joy, and generosity, as well as the 37 helpful ways to attain the Dharma. Furthermore, they were also versed in the bodhisattva samadhis of Vimala, Naksatra Rajdita, Vimala Nirbhasa, Vimala Rupa, Vimala Basa, Alamkara Subha, and Maheti Jogabha. Then the Buddha, wanting to guide King Subhavyuha and out of compassion for sentient beings, taught this Lotus Sutra. At that time, Prince Vimalagarbha and Prince Vimalanetra approached their mother and addressed her with their palms and 10 fingers pressed together, saying, "We entreat you, O mother, to go before the Buddha Jala Dara Gajita Gosa Sushvara Naksatra Raja Samku Sumita Bijna. We shall also go before him together with you, attend him, make offerings to him, and pay him homage. Why is this? Because this Buddha teaches the Lotus Sutra amid the assembly of all the devas and humans. Thus we should all listen to him.